So we are going to our page here online. And again, as I said, this is online. I'm looking at online stuff just as you are. And so we go to, where is it? So right here, I believe. Yep. Okay, so click on our prime index. And here we are. So it's online, so don't write anything and just sit back and relax and glorify God. Okay, so okay, the 19th Sphenic number. So the stuff that I have no underlining, these are the stuff that we've known from the past. But as we see now, God is providing these other things that gives more gravitas to this whole thing. Okay, and again, these are windows to paradise, okay, that God is showing us. Okay, and so the 19th Sphenic number is 195. 195 is the numerical value of the initials Kaf, Ha, Ya, Ain, Sad. This is in chapter 19, the longest set of initials in the Quran. Okay, in Surah 19, and it's 195 is equal to 20 plus 5 plus 10 plus 70 plus 90. So I have it, and I have it in Arabic here so you can see. Okay, there are only 5 characters, 5 Arabic characters, and so they add up to 195. Okay, so, and this happens to be the 19th Sphenic number, 195. So 195 composite, 195th composite is 249. 195, as I said, the numerical value, I repeated it here again, okay, but anyway, it's okay. So 249 non-Chen Prime is 4253, okay? And Surah 42 actually has 53 verses. Okay, we've known this for a long time. Now, and here I underline this. 249th cousin prime is 12979, okay? And, you know, look at those numbers. Those numbers are the same numbers that are repeated in 9127, aren't they? See that? 9 has repeated twice because God says, this is chapter 9, okay? But anyway, so let's just, these numbers are talking basically, okay? 12979 happens to be the 783rd Chen prime, and 783 happens to be a quad prime. Its index is 114. So 114 is the number of surahs in the Quran. 12979 is the 615th irregular prime, not regular prime. Now these are irregular primes. These are the ones that when you remove the regular primes from the domain of primes, then what you are left with, all of those other numbers are called irregular primes. Okay, and 650th composite happens to be 748, and 748th lonely prime is 9127. Okay, so we got from there, from this 12979 to this. 12979 happens to be the 127th twin Gaussian prime. And now I concatenate the two above numbers, namely 12979 and 127. You get 129799127. Okay? The first 4 digits of the above number, namely 1297, is the 114th additive prime. And the last 4 digits tells us that such a book with 114th chapters, its 9th chapter has to have 127 verses. Okay? If I argue with this, I'm arguing with the structure of the universe. That you say, I don't like it this way. This should have been another way. This is forced by mathematics. There's nothing we can do about this. These are numbers. These are the same numbers. When you go get a blood test, okay, those numbers show you some indications of your situation. Okay, are you okay or not okay? We are all based on numbers. The periodic table is based on counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All of those. Say 7, you know you're talking about nitrogen. Okay. So, also, note that 1297 happened to be a super prime as well as a cousin prime. And its index in both of these domains is 47. Recall, Surah 47 is called Muhammad, the one to whom this Quran was revealed. Okay, very good. So we should finish because some people are making noise. Okay. Okay, so we'll finish our Juma. Allahu Kabir. سبحان ربي الأعلى الله الكبير الله الكبير سبحان ربي الأعلى الله